So namatay siya dahil sa akin?
Not necessarily. Pero we really believe that he was threatened by your arrival. Eh, lalo na ngayon na in love ang unika iha ni Victor Valtrovi sa'yo. We really believe that he started making moves against you. That's why he decided to kill him.
Paano niyo nalaman to?
Tinitiktikan siya ni Kian. Unfortunately, Kian paid a dear price.
At hindi lang yan. I just flagged a report sa isang police substation sa Bulacan. They just found a dead body. This is one of Jepoy's associates. He just found it a few hours ago.
From the pattern that we see here, Mikoy, isa lang masasabi natin. Mukhang Victor is cleaning up.
Cleaning up saan?
Nililinis na niya ang mga kalaban. He is neutralizing anyone who is a challenge to your position. Mukhang siniset up ka niya to become the Moraviano Principale. Magiging leader ng buong sindikato.